Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this time I'm going to do something a bit different than earlier videos. This time I use ChatGPT to try to make money, and you can see the prompt that I asked basically is give me practical ideas on how I could use the AI system to make money. So on Japan, this is because I'm based in Japan, and I think that there are some opportunities just being here and say being able to produce content in Japanese. All right. So one of the ideas, so we've got the automated trading. Okay, that's good. This is what I've been working on the site. Great. All right. Micro task automation for freelance gigs is also something that could be useful. We could use some AI agents. So like Manus that I showed before, I think that so as it says, it could use do micro jobs like just for simple tasks, so the grunt work, and this could be made in bulk if you are able to automate all of that. But something else actually caught my attention, and this is not very atypical, but this is the YouTube channel automation. And the thing is, what it does, so the script will generate. So the script, what it means, the script here is the script for the video, basically. So the basic text is going to be used for the audio contents, and then it can generate the video automatically, and it can upload the video automatically. So everything should be able to be done automatically. And then once you've got the videos, enough videos with the contents that is good enough, you can monetize. That's the thing. And in terms of the AI tasks, so first would be to find the keywords, the topics for the videos, then write the scripts and the voiceovers. So apparently this can be done also automatically, and so all do all the editing and then upload the videos. And that's the topic that I like to develop in these videos and further videos as well. So I'm going to focus on that. So this is what I ask ChatGPT after the first request, and the second request is okay, let's go with the YouTube channel, so the AI power Japanese YouTube channel, shorts or explainers. And then, so what is the focus of that? Well, it really depends. We have to find some like training topics, something that is going to catch the attention. The format here, start with a voiceover, subtitles, and auto-edited stock images, videos. But this one basically uh, it's not very clear. It's very generic, so I think I need to customize a bit more and ask ChatGPT to do a bit more sophisticated method than this. The target audience, so the Japanese-speaking user, Japanese learners, well, the content is in Japanese basically, and the topics as well. So everything is based in on Japanese YouTube. All right, monetization. So this is not my first concern. I think that once the video are here, I can do something about it. The AI workflow and tools, so the content generation. So there is a basically Python script that can automate the thing, and so what it says that it can scrape the trains on Twitter or Yahoo or Google Trains. Okay, so it gives a prompt and can find the topics. So the tools, your AI automation agent, I'm not really sure what this means, and there are all the tools to do that. All right, script generation. So this is automatically generated by ChatGPT, okay, from the topic. All right, so we just have to use the API key and well, the API uh, from Python to use ChatGPT. And of course, ChatGPT itself is going to tell me how to do that. The voiceover creation, so this is a voice box, and this needs to be, I think I need to possibly install this, but should be fine. Set titles, so this one I'm not sure how to do that, but again, to generate it, probably this is Okay, the Python script is going to do that. So we don't have to worry so much about this. The video assembly, again, so right. I'm expecting that that can be done within Python. Thumbnail, so again, ChatGPT is going to generate the content for the YouTube video, meta description. The auto upload, so this one, it's basically proposing to use like automation tools like Selenium, but actually there's a YouTube API, so later I will ask it to use the API rather than, some kind of shady automation tools for browsers. Right, so then it's giving the plan. Okay, so we set up the environment, create a channel. Yeah, we've got the whole thing. I don't know why it takes so long. I would expect it actually to do all of these. Like take 2 weeks just to build. Probably can be done in a few hours. I don't know. So that's my guess, but we'll see. Then after a few months, it's like you look at your statistics and you try to adjust, and then you start affiliates. All right, so example niche for the Japanese market. Okay, good, but right. Actually, I like to automate it. I don't want to have to be the expert and produce the themes by myself. I mean, the thing is, if we can automate everything, let's automate this thing, and let's try to really have absolutely no manual input for uploading all the videos. All right, so repurpose all TikTok and Instagram. So again, we could use so the same videos and upload on other platforms. Right, would you like a template script plus automation started code for this workflow? Yes, please. That's what I answered. And then what it does is I've created a script for your Japanese YouTube automation projects. It covers generating a narration script in Japanese, converting to a voice, creating a video with a background image. So this one is not really, how to say, I'm expecting that there's just a one static image and nothing changes in terms of visual. So I'd like to do something about this later. And the music, some music using movie pipe, but actually this is just one one MP3 file that I need to come up with. So this one as well, I like to customize that because I'm not an expert in this kind of music thing. All right. So then it's telling me how to. So first I need to install the VoiceVox. So I've never used that, but I guess because ChatGPT is mentioning that, it's probably safe to use. And right, you can see it's mostly Japanese, but because of my settings, but it should be all right. Install required Python packages. So these are the APIs and stuff. Right, so this one is OpenAI. Now you see there's this link. So this is the Canvas, I guess, yes, for Python script within ChatGPT. Okay. So this is what it produced, and we can see the code as it mentions. So here we need to set up the API keys. You can see that there's Instagram already because actually I already made different versions, and we can go back to the initial version. And what I can do is, okay, this is the first version, the one that we should be looking at the moment. So there's strings with the topic, the title. So this is still manual, it's not automatic for some reason. The background image is something you need to provide already, the MP3 for the music. So this is not really not great, actually, if we think about it. I mean, I was very clear that I wanted to automate the thing, and it's apparently it's not doing that completely. But it's just like providing some tools, various tools, and mainly using OpenAI for the generation of the script, basically. So that's the main thing. But after that, the remaining content is basically something that that is not automatically generated. Okay. All right. So what he's saying, we go down, go back to what it said. Prepare the media assets. So I'm supposed to provide that. Right. Would you like me to extend this to include automatic subtitle overlay, batch video creation from a topic is to upload to YouTube? I'd like to have so that's what I said. Dynamic visuals, please, in the video rather than a static image. So that the question is, how do how do you find dynamic contents visually for like a script? And then it makes something quite smart, actually, saying, okay, what it's going to do is we're going to load clips, so short MP4, and stitch them together to match the voiceover length. Okay. Um, so here, I guess that's the second version. So if we, right, I need to go, I need to go back to, okay, that's the second version, but then that was this one with dynamic visuals. And then what it's saying is basically I need to provide the clips, right? Clips, where are the clips? Somewhere, but it's basically concatenating the clips and assuming that there's like a video that's going to come out with the proper length duration if we add up all these things, but it's not clear how actually these clips also match the different sequences in the video. So I'm a bit I'm not really sure this is the right way to go. Um, so they concatenate the clips until they match the length of the generated narration. Okay, that's one way, but I feel like it's not going to match exactly. Um, would you like to add automatic subtitles synced to the voiceover? I would like an AI tool to generate the whole visual content as one video based on the script. So what I say is I'm not very happy with the way that it's assuming that I'm going to provide the clips and it will just assemble them. So I said, okay, I really want the AI to generate the whole content. And you want to, okay, just got it, ChatGPT understood what I wanted, and it says the visuals are created directly based on the Japanese script, not from the pre-recorded clips. So it's going to, okay, just adapt to the script. Great. So now it's possible with the text to video generation models. So what is interesting is that it says text to video, but actually, I think that what it's doing is where there are several options. And right, so this one, there's this one, the option C. I can build you a script for the option C, so it proposed to have a script. So I say, okay, well, let's go with this one. It says that the previous one may be very heavy, so this one is generating an AI video from the scene. But first, we split the script into scenes or sentences, and we auto-generate the video clips for each, and then it's combined, and then it's going to use. There are some tools to generate videos from these clips. And another one, what is a programmatic use with the Gemmo API, fully scriptable workflow to input the general narration. It generates a stylized matching video. Yeah, well, okay. Sign up for the APA, pattern wrapper, some unofficial. Okay. But I decided to go with this one, and the great alternative, it says, and it's local as well, so I can generate everything just from apparently from, not sure why it says local because it used ChatGPT anyway. So first split the script into scenes again, and then generate images, okay, and then use the pan and zoom, so what it calls the Ken Burns effect, to animate images into a video, and then it's going to assemble. Okay, so it says, let me do that. So I said yes, and then I changed the script. So it generates the visuals, and it does the transitions. So I'm not sure how really good it is to have this which one is it? With can burn effect. So this version, and what is doing? So here it's creating the sequences. It's just splitting the sentences. That's interesting. I'm not sure this may work all the time, but okay. Each sentence is going to generate an image. So it's probably prompting. Where's the prompt? I can't see that, but there's a image generation, and it. I'm not sure what it does actually here, but the prompt, what is the prompt? Generate image. So we have to look for a generate image, and it really just gives the sentence. Okay, so it's basically all the sentences in one into each sentence, and then the prompt is basically the sentence, and it's going to recover to fetch some images, and the images will be concatenated, but using this effect of can burn clip. So how does it work? I don't know. How does it work? I'm, yeah, it's really not clear how this works at first sight, but okay, yeah, we can. I guess we can just trust and see and try and then adjust if it's not good enough. All right, then it proposes to add the subtitles. So this one, not a big deal, but anyway, that can be done. And then automatic upload to YouTube. So it's using the YouTube data API. Okay, all right. So I guess I need. Oh, there's a client secrets. There's a JSON for credentials. Okay. All right. Then it again proposes to do more things like thumbnail generation, dual subtitles, and batch scheduling for the upload. So it's great. I mean, the more you go and the more it asks and the more you can get. It doesn't do at first, but it's great that you still have the option to like add up these new features. Um, then I also said okay, cross post on Instagram. So again, there's an API for that. You know, I had no idea, but there looks social media domination is great. That's I mean, there's so many APIs, and why wouldn't we use them? You know, if they are here and we can automate everything. Um, Now it started saying that working style shell script for uploading via what is it, a CLI tool, and so there's InstaPy, which I guess is something like Python, but there's also a CLI. I don't know what it is. Right. Content loader or something probably. Then it started like creating this shell script. Uh, mm, then I said yes, but actually I'm not sure if this is really. I'm not sure why this is needed and why we can't do everything with Python. And then it goes a bit even further. There's a fully implement actual downloading and scheduling, and it's using real. What is a real TikTok CLI integration or scheduling uploads every day? So there's a what is it? CLI integration. It uses the Python client. This one, okay. Upload to Instagram function is going to replace with this. So it's basically going to log in to Instagram, etc. And then upload automation, and then semi-auto or upload scheduling daily posting. So this one is going to okay post every day. That's weird, but it's going to be really the script is going to be waiting 24 hours. So it's all right. So you're supposed to run the Python script like forever. Okay, why not? Then do you want me to yeah insert the code into the canvas, and then that's what I did, and I think this last version basically is what we have here. All right. And also working example for the .env integration and secure logging for okay, but the password and the username are directly within the code, so this doesn't look like it's good practice anyway. Oh, there's the other thing also, so Streamlit dashboard, and so the script has been converted, so it kind of change the whole thing, and then it's using Streamlit, which I don't know what it is, but there's a module, and I don't know what it does, but what I can see is that there's a input topics, there's a kind of dialog box where it's asking to, it's prompting for some topic actually, so I'm supposed to actually type so I haven't run the code yet, but I'm just trying to guess what I could get from it. And this, I don't really like it because you can see that what was inside the script previously, like the generation of the script or the topic, is just disappeared. So I don't know what happened, but I lost some content. So if we come back here also, we basically lost it. So there's an upload to TikTok and to Instagram here as well. But here, so we generate the caption for the video, great, but we don't have the generation of script. The same important script setup as before. I'm not sure if this is basically is it like so that this one is a whole thing, like it really starts from scratch and it does all, it has all these functions, it does a lot of things. It also uploads to Instagram, but then the next one is like, yeah, I don't really know what happens. Like there's nothing much left here. And the function generate scripts here doesn't exist. So it basically disappeared. It's in the previous version here. So I'm a bit surprised by this because there's a discontinuity in the contents of the script, and this means that you're supposed to, I don't know, just take from one version, take from this version, and but also keep from the previous version because the function here they are not defined here, so we need to copy paste from. But this is not, so this script is going to return an error basically because this one doesn't know about the right functions. But assuming that you know how to do everything in one single file, I think that everything here we can really so it's even storing the credential for YouTube, so you don't have to input the login information every time, right? I think so. This is a very important script. We could actually start from that. The next one is because it's upload to TikTok. It's just basically added upload to TikTok, so I can manually add to this. Yes, and is there anything? I guess that's it. And then there was the other thing, which is it was no, maybe it lost, but here it is basically yeah, it's looping. Wait, it's looping. It's waiting. Yeah, okay, it's uploading one a day. Okay, and the last one is a bit the stream needs. So do we need that? I don't know why we need stream needs, to be honest. And what I feel is that, okay, there's a user interface. I think it mentioned basically friendly, user-friendly user interface. Do I need that? No, of course not. So that's the thing. That was just a script that was completely automated with all the generation of the script with ChatGPT, and then it made something like manual. So it just went back to something more manual, whereas I really wanted to have something fully automated. So it kind of forgot the original constraints and went into something that is not what I need. But we can come back to the previous version, and this one is the real. This one is the real, yeah. So I'm going to use this script with. Well, I still need like to take this generate script exactly, etc. from the previous version anyway. The previous, which is I think it's this one, script, etc. So I need to assemble the stuff, but this should work. So that's it for this video. This is all I. So then it's it's kind of asking how to customize the user interface, but I don't want the user interface. I'm going to end this this script here, or this this the conversation with the ChatGPT. There's another thing else as well that is important, which is that wait, because if we go to the generation of the script, if I remember well, there was a list of topics here, and that's not what I want. I want this to be generated automatically. So I can ask, I'm not sure, I can ask here probably, and I can also, sorry, change again the, yeah, I can also ask to, in a different, it's a separate, uh, it's a separate topic actually, this one. I mean, how do we generate this list of topics? And this one, uh, I yes, I will see how to do that separately. For the moment, I think that's why I wanted to see. And next time we'll go a bit more into the practical details on how to execute the code, how to set up the environment, etc., and how to well see if I can really create these videos, how they look like, and how it can be adjusted. So that's the plan. Right. Okay. So thanks for watching my videos and see you again in my channel.